Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make $20 per day online using Instagram posts. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Did you know that you can make money on the internet without starting a blog or selling things? Yes, you did hear it right. With Instagram posts, it's easy to make at least $20 per day. From your Instagram page, you can charge at least $10 for a sponsored story, $20 for a sponsored photo, and $30 for a sponsored video. This plan, on the other hand, is not a way to get rich quickly. You will need to put in time and effort on a regular basis if you want to be successful and get what you want. Here are some tips that will help you get started. Number 1, create an Instagram account. The first step is to make a good Instagram profile with a specific niche. This is free of charge, of course. Next, you want to get at least 1,000 people to follow your Instagram page. You might want to know how to quickly get more Instagram followers. Well, it all comes down to how much you care. Make sure you post to your page regularly, at least 3 to 5 times a day, and don't forget to use relevant hashtags so you can rank higher and get more followers. Here is a free tool you can use to make Instagram hashtags. You can use tools like Braincode and Canva to make great phrases and photos, which you can then share on your Instagram feed. 2. Promote for brands. Once you have a nice Instagram profile with at least 1,000 followers, you can connect it to sites like Social Blue Book to find out how much it is worth. This gives you a general idea of how much you could charge brands for a sponsored post on your Instagram page. You can now start contacting brands to ask for a sponsored post on your page. If you can get at least one client every day, this is a great way to make $20 per day just with Instagram posts. But to keep things real, don't put too many sponsored posts on your page every day. You should only do 1 to 3 sponsored posts per day. Your main goal should be to interact with your audience by posting regularly on your page so that you can get more followers. And as a general rule, you can make more money over time the more followers you have. You may ask, how do I get in touch with sponsors for a sponsored post? So there are 2 easy ways to get this done. You can reach out to specific brands directly through email to see if they want to post on your Instagram page. This could include Instagram accounts of brands in the same niche as you. As your Instagram profile gets more popular, you can quickly automate your business by using sites like Social Bakers, where brands looking for influencers can easily find you. Instead, think about how to post regularly on your page to keep people interested, and as a result, gain more followers. Once you've done the hard work, brands will start contacting you on their own to sponsor you. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.